much appreciated. Our next awardee is Mr. Anuj Kapuria, and our next award is Trident Award for Young Innovative Entrepreneur of the Year. Awardees are requested to kindly keep their speech a little shorter because CM Saab, has a very tight schedule. And I would request Shivani to please come. Oh, yeah.
Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Prakash Singh Badal ji, esteemed members on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. I'd like to begin with a short story. Late in the year 1946, a mother woke up with her baby crying, wet and soaked once again. As she was changing the padding, the soaked cloth padding of the baby, Marion O'Brien Donovan realized that there has to be a better way to keep her baby dry. Soon after, she tore down her shower curtain from her bathroom, sat down on a sewing machine and was determined to create a padding that would prevent leaking and would make her life simple. That first shower curtain experiment became the precursor to the first disposable diaper, earning her 4 patents, $1 million, and of course, a collective sigh of all the women across the United States of America. We all have, often heard about the saying that necessity is the mother of all invention, and this story goes to prove that. The bottom line really is that apart from creativity, if an invention addresses a need, then that is innovation. And if someone goes beyond to do something better or invent for humanity and the better of society, then that person, of course, deserves a lot of accolades. Today, we are celebrating the spirit, this innovative spirit of one particularly unique individual, and he has become the perfect choice for this year's Trident Award for the Young Innovative Entrepreneur of the Year 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Anuj Kapuria. Please allow me to throw some light on his journey. Mr. Anuj Kapuria, the Director and CEO of High-Tech Robotics Systems Limited and a pioneer in the field of robotics in India, has filed for more than 13 patents in robotics in India and abroad. He has a master's degree in robotics from Carnegie Mellon University, USA, and was subsequently a researcher at the Vision and Autonomous Systems Center at his alma mater. He is currently serving as an adjunct faculty for robotics at Carnegie Mellon University's Robotics Institute. Mr. Kapuria has been involved in a lot of projects for the US Department of Defense and NASA, including the prestigious Mars Rover project and the first ever race of unmanned autonomous vehicles where his team secured the top position. He has been involved with various national and international publications in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. On the call of his motherland, Mr. Kapuria returned from the US and founded High-Tech Robotics Systems Limited in late 2004. HRSL is India's first pioneering company in the field of intelligent systems, mobile robotics, artificial intelligence, and computer vision. The company has successfully developed and commercialized a wide range of robotic products catering to the needs of defense, homeland security, and industrial sectors. He is also an executive director at the High-Tech Gears Limited and is on the board of some of the reputed companies. I need a sip of water, that's a lot. And he and his company has been involved in many indigenous developments ranging from driver state monitoring system, which is a technology to prevent a car crash due to driver fatigue or distraction, ranging from soft brain, which is apparently an unmanned system for creating new robotics, and groundbreaking projects for Indian defense, which are being used actively in operations in J&K and elsewhere, saving the lives of our soldiers. The list just carries on. Ladies and gentlemen, LMA is very pleased to confer on Mr. Anuj Kapuria the LMA Trident Award for the Young Innovative Entrepreneur of the Year 2012. Please join me in congratulating him.
Honorable Chief Minister, Sardar Prakash Singh Badal ji, respected Mr. Sunil Munjal, Mr. Jagdeep Singh, and all esteemed panelists. I am truly humbled and privileged to have this award today. I am very much rooted in Punjab. I started my education in Punjab from Sacred Heart Boys School here down the street. Although I have further studied in England as well as the US, but my heart has always been in the homeland, and I returned then subsequently to create a new field which was created by our organization, pioneered in robotics, and thus far we have been able to, in our little contribution that we've been able to give, we have been able to serve the nation by providing some robots which are helping save lives in J&K and other scenarios for counter-terrorism and counter-hostage scenarios. I decided to come back basically because I felt the need was here, and it's basically because of the family that I came back, to whom I want to dedicate this award. So I dedicate this award to my family and the elders who, through my formative years, inculcated the values of hard work, passion and striving towards excellence, and of course patience, because that's what it's all about. Specifically my father, for leading me down the path of self-discovery rather than thrusting upon me the burden of his expectations. I think we were the first family to own an 8086 computer in Ludhiana way back in early 80s. So thank you, Babaji. My elder brother, who's my idol and my guiding light, North Star of my life, mentoring and navigating me through all times in my life. And last but not least, my wife, for being the pillar of strength and supporting me wholeheartedly through this journey thus far. Thank you very much. I humbly accept this award.
Congratulations, Anuj. Our next award is Harichand Award for Corporate Citizen of the Year, which goes to Mr. Anil Monga of Victory International USA. And I would request Mrs. Renuka Munjal to come for the citation.
Respected Badal Sahab, dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Many people from Ludhiana have gone abroad and made names for themselves, Ludhiana and Punjab, but only a very few of them have been able to transform their success into service for humanity and for their motherland. Mr. Anil Monga has been steadfast in his commitment for such service for almost over 2 decades now. Mr. Anil K. Monga was born, raised and educated at Ludhiana. He began his career in India in the early 1980s in manufacturing and distribution of textile products. He enjoyed significant success in India and internationalized his operations. He established Victory International USA LLC in 1997 and set up successful business in manufacturing and distribution of fine fragrances before diversifying into real estate in the year 2002 through Victory Investment Group. In 2004, Anil Monga became associated with American Indian Foundation as a trustee. The foundation has former US President Bill Clinton as its chairman. The board of trustees and executive directors comprise of elite Indian businessmen and professionals focused on the betterment of underprivileged people who live in India. Mr. Monga founded the Dream and Beauty Charitable Trust at the place of his birth, Ludhiana. Since 1997, DBC Trust has been serving midday meals to approximately 1,500 poor and needy daily. Over 58 lakh meals have been distributed over the years at a cost of over rupees 6 crores. Mr. Monga followed it up with setting up Karma Hospital, now a multi-speciality charitable hospital which has cured 86,000 patients over the years at a cost of 4.2 crores. In 2009, in collaboration with American Indian Foundation, DBC Trust created Mark Darshan, Market Allied Skill Training Program, which identifies the underprivileged and unemployed youth and trains them in fields where there is rapid growth and job placement available for adequately trained youth. Mark Darshan has enrolled and trained 1665 students and arranged placements for 854 at a cost of rupees 84 lakhs. In 2011, DBC Trust set up an old home, Heavenly Palace, to make the later years of elderly people as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Heavenly Palace has 200 rooms, built up at a cost of rupees 18 crores, which has all facilities for senior citizens. When fully developed, Heavenly Palace will offer 600 rooms for senior citizens with an auditorium for devotional singing and lectures, swimming pool, health club, spa, and a restaurant. Ludhiana Management Association feels honoured and privileged to confer on Mr. Anil Monga LMA Harichand Award for Corporate Citizen of the Year 2012. I'm afraid Mr. Monga has not been able to make it, and Mr. Rajesh Rula, the trustee DBC, would accept the award.
And I would like to mention here that this award is sponsored by Nikhil Single Trust of Eastman Group. Would you like to come and say a few words? We have to be very brief.
Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab, Sardar Prakash Singh Ji Badal, respected Sri J.R. Singhal, Mr. S.K. Munjal, Mr. Jain, Dr. Khan, Dr. Jindal Gupta, Mr. Pava, Mr. Valera, and all the collective dignitaries present here. I wish you a very good evening to all of you on behalf of our Mr. Anil Monga and the DBC Trust. It is a matter of great pride for Mr. Anil K. Monga, the CEO of Victory International, to receive this Hira Chand Corporate Citizen of the Year 2012 award in this 35th annual function. Due to some preoccupation, Mr. Monga could not mark his presence today. I tender his apologies. I, and on his behalf, wish to convey his heartfelt thanks to Ludhiana Management Association and Nikhil Singhal Noble Trust of Eastman Group for recognizing our contribution to society and conferring this award on us. Mr. Monga has been successfully running the manufacturing and distribution of fine fragrances in US for the last so many years, but his roots are still in Punjab and Ludhiana. Perhaps his greatest contribution and accomplishment is this payback to society, that is by the creation of Dream Beauty Charitable Trust way back in 1997. Since then, we have been serving to the society under the umbrella of various initiatives we have done. So per se is already been stated, to elevate the hunger in Punjab, we have been providing free meals to the society and the children and the marginalized sections. Whereas simultaneously we have been giving medical facilities and holding the medical camps for the underprivileged section of society. Moreover, recently we have also opened a program in alignment with American India Foundation which is called Margdarshan. The idea behind Margdarshan was the school dropouts who are not getting any job, not employable. So to provide skill training program to them so that they can become employable in the industry and they can get their earnings. And instead of that, they should not get prey to the addiction and other areas. So recently also we have dedicated Heavenly Palace to a senior citizen of the country, which is one of the largest retirement home in India. And this initiative of Mr. Monga is a way of paying back respect to the seniors who have been contributing to society over the years in their life. We encourage all the business houses and the leaders to spare their valuable time and participate us in the common cause. So we humbly invite you to visit our trust and the Heavenly Palace. Thank you so much and have a nice day.